Our Nintendo Switch can run YouTube and it works surprisingly well. Whether you're looking to watch full videos, listen to music, or manage your subscriptions, this guide will show you what's possible and what's not when using YouTube on your Switch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Downloading YouTube on your Nintendo Switch. Open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Let it load up. Tap Search. Now type YouTube. Select the official YouTube app. I've already downloaded it, but you should tap Download or similar options and wait for it to install. Once installed, the YouTube app will show up on your home screen like any other game. Step 2. Launch and sign in. Open the YouTube app. Use the left Joy-Con or touchscreen to navigate. Press sign in or get started. You can sign in with your phone, TV remote, or even scan the QR code. For this video, I'll use the activation link. Open the link between the QR code on your phone or PC browser, something like youtube.com/activate. Now enter the code displayed on your device and confirm access. Now your account is connected and you're good to go. Step 3. What you can do on your YouTube for Switch. You can watch videos in full screen HD. Switch has a great display, so the viewing experience will be great. On the right side, you will see the search bar, home, gaming, and all other options like a normal YouTube profile. You can search using the on-screen keyboard. The touchscreen keyboard works just fine. Now just open up a video and see how it works. During videos, you can use your Joy-Con buttons to fast forward, rewind, or pause. You can watch in both docked or handheld mode. Now just because you can do so many things on the Switch YouTube doesn't mean you can't do everything. Now just because you can do so many things on the Switch YouTube doesn't mean you can do everything. You still can't comment on videos. There is no background playback or YouTube premium benefits. And obviously no touch support in docked mode. You'll need Joy-Cons or a controller. Basically, it's made for watching, not creating or multitasking. That's everything you need to know about using YouTube on your Nintendo Switch. If this guide was helpful, drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tips, fixes, and guides for your Switch. Thanks for watching.